Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to explore outfits and save them to your list of favorite outfits on the Zalando application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on this first icon down below, and here at the top of the screen you can swipe to the right side of the screen and then tap on the Get the Look option. Here you can, as you can see, you can discover creators and browse new styles. Here you have a bunch of options that you can choose from, such as all styles, classic, casual, streetwear, party, and so on. So if you scroll down, you are ready to browse the outfits. So if you have found one that you are interested in and you would like to save for later, just tap on the relevant picture and click on this heart icon, thereby saving the whole outfit to your list. If you scroll down, you can see the items that appear in this photo individually, so you can purchase them or have a look at them one by one, and even add them to your favorites individually. So you can check your saved outfits by clicking on the heart icon down below. As you can see, there is a liked item section and a saved outfits section. So here you can find these items. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.